Introducing the OBDPEAK K50, a revolutionary 3-in-1 smart mirror dash cam designed to elevate your driving experience. At its core, the K50 runs on the latest Android 13 system, with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. It's powered by 4G SIM and Wi-Fi connectivity, giving you seamless access to GPS navigation, music, and video apps directly from the 10.26-inch IPS touchscreen. What sets the K50 apart? It supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, AirPlay and Android Mirror Link, and offers high-fidelity audio output via Bluetooth, FM transmitter, or AUX. Equipped with dual cameras, the K50 records both front and rear views simultaneously. It supports loop recording and remote playback via the Carkeeper mobile app. Want 24-hour parking surveillance? Just connect the provided power kit for real-time monitoring, even when your car is off. Safety is a top priority. With ADAS driver assist features like lane departure warning and forward collision alerts, the K50 helps you drive smarter and safer. Reversing? The rear camera activates automatically when backing up, giving you a full HD rear view, even in rain or dust. And with OTA updates, your device stays up to date, remotely and hassle-free.